Welcome back to Word Warehouse. In this video, we explore a new group of useful English words starting with the letter B, from everyday vocabulary to cultural references you'll often hear in films, music, and real life. Bagpipe, a traditional musical instrument played by blowing air into a bag. He plays the bagpipes on the street for tips. Bailiff, an official who enforces court orders or manages court procedures. The bailiff delivered the notice. Bale, a large bundle of goods tightly wrapped. The farmer stacked the hay bales in the barn. Ball of wool, a round mass of wool thread. She bought a ball of wool. She bought some knitting wool to make a scarf. She knits in the evenings. Knitting helps me relax. Band together, to unite to achieve something. The workers banded together to protest. Banish, to force someone to leave a place. He was banished from the kingdom. Banish is often used in historical or literary contexts to describe someone being officially forced to leave their country. Napoleon was banished from France in 1814 and sent into exile on the island of Elba. After his defeat at Waterloo in 1815, Napoleon was banished again, this time to the remote island of St. Helena. Banking, the business of banks and financial services. She works in banking. Bank statement, a record of bank account activity. I checked my bank statement. Bar, place, a place where drinks are served. Let's meet at the bar after work. Bar, to block or prevent. He was barred from entering the building. He was barred from entering the country. The law bars companies from hiring children. She was barred from the competition. Bar, law, the legal profession. He was admitted to the bar last year. To disbar someone means to officially bar a lawyer from practicing law. He was disbarred for professional misconduct. Bar, a required level. The company set a high bar for quality. I said you were the most honest person I know. The bar is pretty low. Bar, window, a metal rod protecting a window. The window is protected by metal bars. Behind bars, in prison. The criminal is behind bars. Barbed wire, wire with sharp points used as fencing. The area was surrounded by barbed wire. Bare, without covering. The children ran barefoot along the beach. There was bare ground in the garden where nothing would grow. He picked up the hot plate with his bare hands. The sun burned his bare skin. Barely, only just, almost not. He barely passed the exam. Barley, a type of grain. Barley is used to make beer. Base on, to use as a foundation. The film is based on a true story. Base on evidence. The decision was based on strong evidence. Base on facts. The report is based on facts, not opinions. Bass, a low musical sound or instrument. The bass was very deep. Double bass, a large string instrument with very low tones. He plays the double bass. Bean sprouts, young shoots of beans. Add bean sprouts to the salad. Bear, verb, to tolerate or carry. I can't bear the noise. Beast, a wild or cruel creature. The story describes a dangerous beast living in the forest. The beast escaped from the cage. In Beauty and the Beast represents someone who looks frightening on the outside, but is kind and human on the inside. In modern English, calling someone a beast can describe cruelty or savagery, but it can also be used playfully to describe great strength or power. He's a beast in the gym. She worked like a beast to finish the project. Anyone who hurts animals is a beast. He behaved like a beast during the argument. Beat, verb, to win against someone. They beat the champions 3-1. Beat, verb, to hit someone many times. He was badly beaten in the fight. Beat up, to attack violently. He was beaten up in the street. Beat, verb, to mix ingredients vigorously. Beat the eggs before adding the sugar. Beat, noun, a regular rhythm or pulse. I love the beat of this song. Beat, noun, an area a police officer regularly patrols. The officer knows everyone on his beat. Beat, adjective, informal. Very tired. I'm beat after work. Beat, expression. It beats me. I don't know. I have no idea. Why he left so early beats me. Beet, a root vegetable. She cooked fresh beets. Beetroot, beet used as food, UK term. Beetroot is common in salads. Belch, to let gas out of the stomach. He belched loudly. Burp, to let air out of the stomach in a casual or informal way. The baby burped after feeding. Burp is more informal and everyday than belch, which sounds stronger or less polite. Believer, a person who believes. She is a firm believer in science. Believer is a song by Imagine Dragons, released in 2017 as part of their album Evolve. The song talks about turning pain and struggle into strength, which fits perfectly with the meaning of believer, someone who believes strongly, especially in themselves. And now, back to the rest of our B words and their everyday uses in English. Beloved, dearly loved. He was a beloved teacher. Below, at a lower level, the temperature is below zero. His performance was below average this season. The Dead Sea is below sea level. Benefactor, a person who gives help or money. A benefactor funded the project. Benefit, an advantage or help. Exercise has many health benefits. Benefit refers to an advantage or positive effect, not always money, while profit means financial gain only. One major benefit of working from home is flexibility. The main benefit of this plan is saving time. The company made a large profit last year. Best man, the groom's main assistant at a wedding. His brother was the best man. Between, in the middle of two things. The cafe is between the bank and the shop. Big brother, an older brother or authority figure. His big brother helped him. Little bird, an informal way to say a source. A little bird told me the news. To give birth. To deliver a baby. She gave birth to twins. Birth control, methods to prevent pregnancy. Birth control is widely available. Birthplace, the place where someone was born. His birthplace is Madrid. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.